आप देख रहे हैं रोशन पाकिस्तान न्यूज।
The United States values the critical relationship, the partnership between the United States and Pakistan. We look forward to a productive meeting now, augmenting our counterterrorism and other security cooperation, increasing regional security and stability. Stability in the region is important to the whole globe. Reconciliation efforts between Pakistan, Afghanistan, the Taliban. Thank you for your leadership in that regard, Mr. Prime Minister, to advance enduring peace in the region and strengthen the vital ties between our economies, people, and nations. And when we welcomed Mr. Prime Minister to the capital earlier, we talked about how invigorated America is by so many Pakistani Americans here, whether it's in terms of our economy, our culture, our health care, in so many different ways. We are very blessed by many Pakistanis here, and we value the relationship between our two countries. Welcome, Mr. Prime Minister.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very
much. Madam Speaker, thank you for inviting me here and giving me a chance to make you understand, and I think it's very important that you understand the Pakistani point of view, because so far I feel Pakistan has not really been represented properly in the US. I feel that our point of view has not reached the politicians, congressmen, senators, and so I look forward to our conversations, and I feel that it's time to have a different sort of relationship with the US, a reset, a relationship based on mutual respect, trust, and above all, the US is, it is in the interest of US and the rest of the world that this, the longest war ever, which is Afghanistan, almost 19 years this has been going on, that this ends in a peaceful way, in a political settlement. And we in Pakistan, I can assure you, will be trying our best to make sure that there is a political settlement there, and we'll be talking about that.
Look forward to it. Thank you, Mr. Prime Minister, and welcome. Thank you.